The name Tyree belongs to a very uncommon man, Sir William Tyree. The founder of an industrial empire, he fought his way to the top against an industry cartel which tried to suppress him. In the end, he not only beat them, he bought them.
Sir William is one of the great Australian innovators in the electrical engineering field. He spots ideas over the horizon and then brings them back to Australia and puts his own special flavour on them.
I was working with the Japanese on a new developed steel, which I was able to bring to this country, and that enabled me to redesign and manufacture a transformer a lot cheaper and better than any one of my competitors.
Sir William was born in New Zealand in 1921 and came to Australia in 1938.
My first position was with a company called Hamilton Baker as a tool maker. Taught me to use my hands in many ways and my head to think things through.
After completing his diploma of electrical engineering from Sydney Technical College, Sir William commenced an illustrious career spanning 60 years, during which he founded Tyree Industries. Committed to innovation and leading-edge technology, Sir William has been a pioneer in the electrical engineering industry.
All great leaders need vision, and he has that in abundance. And he makes it flow through the whole organisation to ensure that they're successful in what they do.
He consolidated all the English transformer manufacturers to form the largest power and distribution transformer manufacturer in the Southern Hemisphere. Tyree Holdings was sold to Westinghouse Electrical Corporation under a 10-year agreement program.
Those were the best 10 years of my life working with an overseas company. It was a real two-way passage, and we became the best profit earner of any one of Westinghouse plants.
In 1970, he made a generous philanthropic investment and established the A.W. Tyree Foundation. Through this foundation, many groundbreaking developments have been achieved in both the medical and engineering fields. The foundation has provided significant support for higher education, engineering innovation, medical research, and the arts that leave an enduring legacy. In 1971, he formed Medicheck. Sir William was also instrumental in the advancement of breast screening for women and the automation of chemistry.
He is both interested in helping people in the medical area as well as in the engineering area, and I think that the two are now overlapping hugely.
In 1981, he founded the Tyree Group of companies, and he continues to be actively involved in managing this group today. In 1982, Sir William and the A.W. Tyree Foundation funded the Tyree Chair of Otolaryngology at the University of Sydney, bringing together engineering and medicine for the treatment of deafness. In 2007, Sir William made a $1 million commitment to establish a power engineering laboratory, lessening the gap between industry and academia. Together with government funding and a substantial donation and pledge from Sir William,
they must get rid of all their old units and equipment that's been there since way back in the 50s and 60s and bring it up to the standards that we really need today.
This dream has now come to fruition in the form of the Tyree Energy and Technologies Building at the UNSW. He had quite an illustrious career, helping many companies and assisting in research and inventions.
I see him as something which younger engineers, younger students can look up to and say, God, we could be like that.
Sir William continues his strong support of engineering innovation and education and is a Fellow of the Australian Academy of Technological Sciences and Engineering.
I think the main achievement has been having a devoted staff and people that were able to work with me and to produce a product which we were proud of.